I didn't want to go back, man. I would even deny it. I'm French, I'm Cuban, I'm everything but being Haitian. And then all of a sudden, I get a phone call. My mom's crying on the phone. She goes, Alexis, Haiti crasé. Essentially translating to Haiti's broken. Right away, then I realized that, oh, I have brothers there. I hadn't seen them, like, and would I ever see them again?
We went to Haiti to find our brothers. What started as a mission to find family became so much more.
So how much related to the earthquake stuff?
This is almost all non-earthquake related.
Non-earthquake.
We found destruction. Despair.
Okay.
Death. And then we found something we didn't expect. Life. Strength. Beauty. Our identities.
That's me 28 years ago?
The more we saw, we realized hope was alive.
Ça va ça? Docteur. He wants to be president of the country.
The Haitian people can't be broken. Presenting Lakay, a story of love, family, home.